In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly embed a Canva design into your website or blog, ensuring a smooth and professional presentation. It's a straightforward process, but there are a few key steps to follow closely to ensure everything works perfectly. First, let's start by opening up Canva, where you've hopefully already created a stunning design that you're ready to share with the world in a more interactive way. Once you have your design open, the first step is to locate the Share button, which is typically nestled in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on it will reveal a variety of options for sharing your design, but for our purpose today, you should select the Embed option. This action will generate a piece of HTML code known as an embed code. Essentially, this is a snippet that allows you to insert your Canva design directly into the framework of your website, and it can often be specifically tailored to fit your design's dimensions. After you've clicked on the Embed option, a window will pop up displaying the HTML embed code. Carefully, you're going to want to highlight this code and copy it. If you're working on a PC, this can often be done by pressing Ctrl+C, and if you're using a Mac, you'll use Command+C. It's important to ensure you've copied the entire code, leaving none of it behind. Now, moving on to the part where a little bit of tech knowledge comes in, embedding it into your website. Navigate to your site's backend where you can edit the HTML. This could be in a source tab of a website building tool or through accessing the HTML editor directly. Whether you are using platforms like WordPress, Squarespace, or another, pointers should be similar. You'll need to find the place in the code where you want your Canva design to appear. This is crucial for a professional look. It could be within a specific section of your page, or maybe even in a coded block if you're working with something like WordPress's Gutenberg editor. Now comes the part where you'll place the embed code within a suitable code block. After finding the right spot, paste the embed code you copied from Canva. On most computers, this can be done by pressing Ctrl+V or Command+V on a Mac. And just like that, your design is ready to be published on your site for everyone to admire. Lastly, the final step involves saving any changes you've made to your site. Always make sure to preview these changes before setting them live so you can see exactly how the design is displayed and make any needed adjustments. By publishing or updating, your unique Canva design is now seamlessly integrated, ready to be interacted with by your audience. And there you have it. Follow these steps each time and you'll have a professional looking embedded design that enhances your website's visual appeal and interactivity. Thanks for watching.